I'm Brooke. I'm a leasing consultant at the Curb Apartments. Today I'm going to show you apartment number 207. This is an A3 floor plan. It's 802 square feet. Follow me on in here. Now first you'll see the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen with the overhead lighting. You have quartz countertops, flat panel taupe cabinets, and a movable island. You also have your appliance package, which includes your gas range stove, mounted microwave, dishwasher, sink, refrigerator with the ice maker and the freezer, all stainless steel, very modern looking. You'll also find that all of our apartments have hardwood flooring throughout to give it that really clean and modern look. Here we also have your pantry and the living space. Now this apartment has 2 floor-to-ceiling windows in both the living room and the bedroom. Follow me this way. First you'll see your coat closet and the linen closet on this side. And then you'll find the bathroom attached to both the living room and the bedroom. And then in the bathroom we have the double vanity, dual sinks here, bathtub and shower. And if you follow me down this hallway, you'll find the washer dryer. And this hallway also connects to the bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. And then we have your huge walk-in closet.